Some recipes don't need fancy ingredients, they just need memories. When summer arrived at our home, tomatoes become so sweet and juicy. My mom would make this authentic tomato saar with fresh tomatoes from the market. Tangy, spicy aroma would fill in the whole house, and we could not wait to pour it on our hot rice. It was simple, comforting, and tasted like a home. Today, I am sharing the same family recipe with you. Take 4 tomatoes and cut them into quarter. Heat a little oil in a pan. Add the tomatoes with garlic and chopped ginger. Cover and cook until the tomatoes become soft and the skin starts separating. Mash them gently with a spoon and keep them aside. The same pan, heat oil, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, cloves and black pepper. Once they flutter, add curry leaves, green chillies, add onion and chop coriander. Saute until the onion turns soft. Add the mashed tomatoes and mix well. Cook for a few minutes. Add garam masala, Kashmiri red chili powder, spicy red chili powder, turmeric and salt. Cook until the oil starts separating. Keep flame low. Pour in hot water and let it come to a nice boil. Add fresh coriander leaves. Add tamarind, mix well. Serve this tangy, spicy tomato saar over hot rice. Every bite will remind you of comforting summer meal at home. Follow for more authentic homemade recipes.